Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I know, well, what can I say? But I just want to clarify something. If you are going to leave hateful comments on my channel from now on, they will remain on my channel. I won't touch them. I won't even acknowledge them. So I just want to put that out there. And for all the people who say, I told you she would be back. Well, I'm just going to leave it at that. I am. Because it's not what you know, it's who you know and how you find out. There you go. So, in saying that, guys, you know what time it is, boom boom. You know what time it is, boom boom. Time for Risha to eat her Subways. That's what time it is, boom boom. So today we've got Subway. We've also got some celery sticks and some sweet chili hummus. We have. So, yep. I've been craving celery sticks and sweet chili hummus for the past couple of days, so I went out with the phone and got some. So there we go. So we've got a foot long tuna melt with extra cheese. Extra cheese, because I love the cheese. Let's bring this bad boy out. Tuna melt, baby. Tuna melt. Celery stick. Oh, and for drink, we've got me water. Got the water. Let's have a celery stick first. Oh. Really hard. That was a struggle. Why not? Bearing in mind, I'm obviously still getting used to my teeth. That crunch though. That's one thing about having my teeth now, is I can chew my food a lot better. And I'm getting fuller quicker. Whereas obviously before I couldn't. So I'm gonna obviously finish filming this. I'm gonna put my Christmas sticks up. Got a tree, by the way. My friend actually give us one. Still in the box, brand new, still in the box. Chloe's climbing all over the place. All you had to do was jump in your bed or walk around the other way where your teddies aren't there. Instead of stepping on and jumping up on the puffy, to jump into your bed. And now you've come back to me because I'm having a conversation with you. Oh. Mm. Mm. Just back. I knew I shouldn't have spoke to her. I digress. Mm. So who's going shopping on Wednesday? I'm not. I'm waiting till the weekend. Because I've got a Ray, and I mean Ray, Friday off. I got a text message last week off my boss, and she went, and she's like, such and such wants to swap a shift. So can you swap a shift? So can you do the Wednesday in the 2 years, in the week came across, I was like, can you do the Wednesday? And the 2 years do the Friday, and I'm like, how does that work out? So I'm sitting there and I'm reading and rereading this message and trying to work out what she was trying to say. So I end up bringing out, I'm like, you've totally bamboozled us with this message, like. And what you wanting us to do. Of course I said yes. Not because I get very afraid off. Because Dum Dum here had encouraged the girl to ask for a shift to be swapped. But what I meant was for us to swap the Wednesday morning for the Wednesday night. So how the hell I ended up swapping with that from a Wednesday to a Friday, I don't know. So yeah. It ended up being me. But I don't mind. So yeah, it ended up being me who swapped. It did. But there you go. Oh, it's raining. It's raining. Hallelujah. I didn't think it was going to rain today. You know what? You can look at the cloud and think, God, it's going to pour down. And it doesn't rain at all day. And then the minute you think it's not going to rain, that really is coming now. Because they would have to come back out. So no, what was that video was going to be my last. And then I was like, after what else I found out, they've basically officially won, haven't they? So, I think I need well, that didn't work good. So I wasn't going to back down, do you know what I mean? Because my son was like, Ma, I load how we take away. You make a sell a video now. I was like, no, I'm not making me sell it. I mean, or having a takeaway. And this was like last week. I was like, no, I'm not. I was determined, like. I was. Like, literally determined. Because right now, this isn't about growing subscribers. Don't get us wrong, thank you to everybody who stuck around. I really do appreciate it. I really do. But this is like, how can I describe it? What's the word I'm looking for? I'm not bowing down to them. Do you know what I mean? Nothing about down. No. Not bowing down. So yeah. I'm here. And I'm going to take a sippy. Sit back. And let everybody get annoyed. Because I know this video is going to annoy a lot of people. Yeah, it is. Yep. Yep. Why is celery so stringy? Tonight I'm doing a lovely meal. Posting it on the channel. I am. Can't wait. I want to say also thank you to all the messages of support and encouragement. I really appreciate it. I really do. I've got crumbs everywhere. But this will be the only video where I've said what I've said. And that is it. And that is it. Not going to say any more about what has happened. I'm full now. So guys, let's wash my palette. So guys, I bit my freaking gum. Well, the inside of my mouth. I have done. It bloody hurts. No way, like, bloody hurts. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you to all those who've stuck around. Thank you, thank you. I really do appreciate it. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.